What up, YouTube? Day 3, Marvel Funko Pop Advent Calendar. Okay, I'm wearing the King Thanos shirt. I don't even know what website I bought it on. Just saw it in a Facebook ad, went to it, bought it. I got a lot of compliments when I wore this to watch Infinity War. Yeah. So this video is sponsored by BlackBerry. Ha! Yeah, right. Just kidding. I just found my old BlackBerry cleaning some stuff out at work, and I was just like going through it, looking through old pictures. No videos and no voice notes. I must have cleared that out. I think I was gonna sell it or something, but never got around to it. Um, I got this really cool pin from a Marvel Funko box. I want to say maybe 2-3 months ago, and cleaning out some stuff, I found it. It is the Hydra logo, which is really dope. I wish I had this when I went to go see what do you call it? Avengers Endgame. Okay, so recap. So day 1 was Vision or Iron Man. I still kind of don't really know, but maybe if you could tell. I think it. I'm not sure. Day 2, I got Captain America. That was really cool. All right, and let's cut to it, cause yeah. Day 3. Let me get the camera. All right, day 3. Let's do this. Ooh, that's kind of dope. Red Hulk. Nice. That's cool. Can you see that? Red Hulk. Dang, that's sick. All right. Nice. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Yeah. I will catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye.